Let me share with you 10 rare but easy credit cards for bad credit. We're talking about unsecured credit cards. You can pre-qualify with soft pull, high limits, guaranteed approval, and decent APRs. Don't go anywhere. You're going to love today's conversation. I guarantee it. Welcome back, folks, to another edition of the Awesome Sweetie Kiwi Show. How are you today? I hope you are doing fantastic. I'm doing marvelous, if you were to ask me. If you are doing as great as I am, go grab a cup of coffee or tea or vodka. Now let's roll. In today's conversation, I want to share with you 10 rare but easy credit cards for bad credit. Let me say this right off the bat. All of these cards have soft pull, and you can pre-qualify without a hard inquiry for up to $10,000 in credit limits. Your FICO score is safe then, so you have absolutely no excuse not trying each of these cards out. Absolutely no excuse, for real. If you have less than stellar credit and you want to build credit fast, you want to pre-apply for these cards and choose the best one for you. Make me proud, folks. Having said that, most of these cards charge you an annual fee, sometimes a one-time fee, and very high APRs. They do it because they know you need them to build or rebuild your credit. And one key player here is the Bank of Missouri through the different cards it issues. But long story short, you want to think of the fees as an investment into your financial future. So your game plan is to get one of these cards, use it responsibly for 1 year, bump your credit up to, say, 100 or 200 points, and then get out of there. I mean, close the account. Otherwise, they will keep charging you an annual fee, even if you stop paying the card, stop using the card. Okay. Number 10, folks, we have the Revi card, our score. 7.5 over 10. Here you have a one-time fee of $89, regular APR 34.99%, annual fee $75 the first year, $48 after that. Monthly fee, there's none the first year, and $625 after that. Rewards rate 1% cashback, minimum credit bad. Okay, and here are the reward details. You earn 1% cashback rewards on payments made to your Revi credit card. Okay, we love the fact that you have a fast and easy application, response provided in seconds, $300 credit limits. Okay, this is the initial limit. You can build your credit score with on-time payments and keeping your balances low. Okay, you have the opportunity to request credit limit increases after 12 months. Okay, and checking accounts is required. They report monthly to all three major credit bureaus, and you have manageable monthly payments, and this is kind of cool. Number 9, folks, we have the first digital Mastercard. Our score 8 over 10. Here you have one-time fees of $95, regular APRs 35.99%. The annual fee $75 the first year and $48 after that. You have a monthly fee of $0 the first year and $625 after that. And if you have bad credit, not a problem. Okay. And here is additional info you might love. You get the security and convenience of a full-feature unsecured Mastercard credit card accepted at millions of merchants and ATM locations worldwide and online. You can build up your credit history with a card that reports to all three major credit bureaus every month. Okay, you have an easy and secure online application, and this card is issued by Synovus Bank, which is a member of FDIC. Number 8, folks, we have the Fit Mastercard. Our score 8 over 10. Here you have a one-time fees of $89, the regular APR $29.99, the annual fee $99, the monthly fee nothing for the first year and $625 after that. And in terms of this is a card where you have the initial credit limit is $400 and it doubles to $800. You simply need to make your first 6 monthly minimum payments on time. Okay, all credit types are welcome to apply. They have a monthly reporting to the 3 major credit bureaus, and you have a fast and easy application process. You can use your card at locations everywhere. Mastercard is accepted. Okay, and you have free access to your Vantage 3.0 score from Experian when you sign up for e-statements. Okay, checking accounts is required. Number 7, folks, we have a Total Visa card. Our score 8.5 over 10. Here the one-time fees are $89, regular APRs 34.99%, annual fee $75 first year and $48 thereafter. The monthly fee, there's none the first year and $625 thereafter. And if you have bad credit, not a problem. Okay. And in terms of what are the requirements? A checking account is required. You have a fast and easy application process. And you have actually a true Visa card that is accepted by merchants nationwide across the United States and online. You have manageable monthly payments. The initial limits here is $300, but they can bump you up after 6 months of responsible use of the card, okay? And they report monthly to all three major credit bureaus, not a problem there. And one thing I also want to say is that this card allows you to you can actually get a limit up to $5,000 if you've been with them 2 years. Okay, one thing I want to say here is that they will approve you real fast, and this here is a card that is constantly changing. And with the Total Visa, one thing, and the same applies to the Fit Mastercard. One thing you want to do is you want to pay your balance in full every month. Please don't miss a payment. And we actually we have told our viewers that it's just a lot better to make multiple payments during the month, throughout the month, as opposed to waiting for the end of the month to make a single payment. So what you want to do is if your minimum due is, let's say, $100, you want to pay, let's say, $10, or you want to pay $25 4 times a week, 4 times a month, not a week, 4 times a month. So you can pay maybe $25 on the 5th of the month, and another $25 on the 10th, and so on and so forth. Okay, very important. Number 6, folks, we have the Applied Bank Unsecured Classic Visa. Our score is 8.5 over 10. Here you have one-time fees of $89, a regular APR of 29.99%, the annual fee $75 the first year and $45 after that. There's no monthly fee the first year, and after that is $625, okay? And you can get pre-qualified in less than a minute. This is really good. Your initial limit goes from $300 to $1,000, okay? And you can use the limit at grocery stores, gas stations, discount stores, ATMs, and online, okay? And here is a real Visa credit card with automatic reporting to all three national credit bureaus. No penalty rate. Your rate will not go up even if you are late. Okay, you can access additional credit with on-time payments and responsible usage. This is important, folks. And this card is a true unsecured EMV-enabled chip card, okay? And you have fixed APRs and manageable monthly payments. Really good. So the Applied Bank Unsecured Classic Visa, 8.5 over 10. Number 5, folks, we have the Fortiva Cashback Reward. Our score, 9 over 10. Here you have, there's no one-time fees. This is really good. This is really a big relief here. The regular APR is kind of low, also relatively low, 29.99% variable. Annual fees $85 to $175 the first year, and $29 to $49 after that. This is why there's no one-time fee, okay? The monthly fee $0 the first year and $7.25 to $12.50 after. The rewards rate 1 to 3% cash back. Okay, so when you think about Fortiva in general, you have a rewards. You can earn 3% cashback reward on eligible gas, grocery, and utility purchases or payments. You earn 1% cashback rewards on all other eligible purchases. Okay, and you can pre-qualify instantly without impacting your credit score, and up to $1,000 credit limits initially, subject to credit approval. You have free access to your Vantage Score 3.0 credit score from Equifax. No initial deposit or program fees needed to open an account, okay? And you can add your card to Apple Pay, Google Pay, or Samsung Pay for easy contactless payments. Number 4, folks, we have here Aspire credit card. Our score, 9 over 10. Here you have no one-time fees. The regular APRs go from, the regular APR is 29.99% variable. Okay, the annual fee $85 to $175 the first year, $29 to $49 after that. The monthly fee $0 the first year and $7.25 to $12.50 after that. The rewards rate 1 to 3% cash back. Okay, so when you think about Aspire, you want to think about something similar to Fortiva. In other words, you can earn 3% cash back rewards on eligible gas, grocery, and utility purchases or payments. Okay, and you can earn 1% cash back rewards on all other eligible purchases. And what we love is that with Aspire, you also are able to see if you're pre-qualified with no impact your credit score. So they have a soft pull. All of these credit cards have soft pulls, all of them. Okay, you have free access to your Vantage Score 3.0 credit score from Equifax. We love the fact that you can actually go through the application process very fast. It's very easy also, and you can actually be your credit limits can be increased periodically because they do periodic reviews. This is what is really great with this card, the Aspire credit card 9.5 over 10. Number 3, you have the Surge Mastercard. Our score 9.5 over 10. This card has no annual fee. The regular APR goes from 24.99 to 29.99% variable. Their annual fee is $75 to $99. The monthly fee is none for the first year and up to $10 after that. Okay, so when you think about the Surge card, you have to think about up to $1,000 credit limit initially that doubles up to $2,000. Simply make your first 6 monthly minimum payments on time. This is a superior card for compared to all the other 8 cards that I just mentioned, the other 7 cards. This is a superior card in its category. So you have free access to your Vantage 3.0 score from Experian when you sign up for e-statements, okay, and monthly reporting to the 3 major credit bureaus. You can see if you're pre-qualified without impacting your credit score. This is really good. So we're talking about a soft pull, not a hard pull. You have a free online account access 24/7. Checking account is required though, okay? And this is important to understand that you can actually have a fast and easy application process. And you can have results in second. So overall, compared to the other 7 cards that I just told you about, Surge Mastercard is a superior card. And we love the fact that the APR is kind of decent, 24.99% to 29.99%. This is kind of similar to what Capital One, for instance, charges. So it's not really that outrageously high, okay? And this card, the Surge Mastercard, has no one-time fees. I'll be right back right after this. Don't go anywhere. Welcome back, folks, to another section of the Awesome Sweetie Kiwi Show. We are still talking about 10 rare but easy credit cards for bad credit. We are speaking about unsecured credit cards. You can pre-qualify with soft pull, high limits, guaranteed approval, and decent APRs. So number 2, folks, we have the Indigo Mastercard. Our score 9.5 over 10. There's no one-time fee. The regular APR is 24.90%. The annual fee goes from $0 to $99. There's no monthly fee. And this card is great for a bad credit, okay? And you can pre-qualify for a card for an Indigo Mastercard today, and this will not impact your credit score, okay? Less than perfect credit is okay. You have mobile account access at any time. You have fraud protection for stolen or lost cards, and the account history is reported to the 3 major credit bureaus in the United States, okay? So they will start you with about $1,000, and you can go all the way to $10,000 with responsible use of the card within 1 year. 1 year to 18 months. Number 1, the best of the best in our view, the best of the best, Milestone Mastercard. Our score, 10 over 10. And this is a card that is great for people who have less than perfect credit. So you have 0 one-time fees. The regular APR is 24.90%. The annual fee goes from $35 to $99. There's no monthly fee, okay? And this is a great card. And you can pre-qualify for a card today and with no impact to your credit score. You have mobile account access at any time, protection from fraud if your card is stolen, and the account history is reported to the 3 major credit bureaus. And they will start you with an initial credit limit that goes from $1,000 and can go all the way to $10,000 if you've used the card responsibly and made on-time payments within the next 12 months. So if you use the card responsibly and perfectly within 12 months, they will bump you up, okay? And we love the fact that here is a card that actually has a lot of benefits. So Milestone Mastercard provides the benefits you want in order to successfully manage and grow your credit. Okay, you have 24/7 access to your account so you can track your progress. This is really good, okay? So they have credit bureau reporting, no security deposit. Okay, you have a foundation you can build on, okay? And what we love is that they have an excellent customer service, and they will help you out, make sure that you are actually on your path to become more credit worthy. And folks, I have actually 2 bonuses. In the bonus category, I have 2 cards I want to share with you. First, we have the first phase card. Our score is 7/10. Okay, and so this is a card that allows you to build or rebuild credit. We love that. So whether you're starting or restarting, you can start your future with first phase card today. And what we love is that they have an on-call representative. They have zero liability with Visa. Okay, and the initial credit lines go from $300 to $1,000. Okay, and so here are the fees. Sorry. So you have a one-time program fee, $89, annual fee, $75 for the first year, $48 annually thereafter. Monthly servicing fee, $0 for the first year, $625 per month thereafter, okay? And the annual percentage rate, the APR, 34.99% variable. So this card is issued by the Bank of Missouri, okay? And so this is something you need to think about. You also have the first access card. Our score is 6.5/10. And this is a card that actually allows you to build or rebuild your credit history. The APR here is 34.89%. One thing I need to say is that get this card as an absolute last resort. Last resort. We don't like this card particularly because the fees are too much, way too much. But we included the card here to show you all the options out there in terms of credit cards for folks with poor credit. But again, the fees are ridiculous. This kind of fees looks like the Bank of Missouri is taking advantage of vulnerable applicants. Okay, you can see for yourself. Check this out. So you have the APR for purchases 34.99%, APR for cash advances 34.99%. Think about that. Those are huge. You have a program fee $95, annual fee $75. Okay, and so the monthly servicing fee, none for the first year, and after that you have $99 annually, $8.25 per month. This is a lot. You have a late payment fee $41. You have a return payment fee $41. Okay, and the cash advance fee, none for the first year introductory. After that, either $10 or 3% of the amount of each cash advance, whichever is greater. So those are huge fees. Okay, that you definitely want to stay away from. Now, we have chosen to show you here because, again, as I said, we want to give you options. But if you have the chance to apply for this card, it's just a lot better to go for the Milestone Mastercard first or the Indigo. And if you can't get them, then you can try this ones. But again, if you get these cards, please try to make the payments on time and use it as a short-term way, as an investment into your financial future. One thing I want to say in general here, folks, is that, as you have probably seen, these cards have exorbitant fees. They have very high fees. So what you want to do is that if you're looking for an unsecured credit card for bad credit, you basically want to make sure that you pick the best, in our view, which is the Milestone Mastercard or the Indigo Mastercard or the Surge Mastercard. And once you chose any of those three, you want to make sure that you make the payments on time every time. And it's just better to automate things. All right. Instead of making one single payments every month, you want to make 3, 4, 5 payments, small payments, so that your account is constantly valid, constantly active, constantly in good standing. That's what you want. Okay. And the cards that I've just talked to you about here, you need to understand that those cards are to be used as a short-term resort. This is not a long-term play. Nobody does that. You can't. The fees are just crazy. They're just fantastic. They are really crazy. So you want to use the card for 1 year. This is our time frame. You use it strategically to bump up your credit score, and then you just graduate to a better card. Okay, and you have to understand that those credit cards, the unsecured credit cards for bad credit, they offer low credit limits. Those initial credit limits all the way to $300 or $200, and then they can bump you to $10,000, but you have to show them that you're very good. And the APRs are usually between 24 and 35%. The fees are plentiful and can include sign-up fees, annual fees, and fees for cash advances, foreign transactions, and late payments, as you have seen in the show. Okay, and these cards usually offer no rewards and few benefits, although exceptions exist. Okay. And typically, this card reports your card activity to all 3 credit bureaus. So this allows you to rebuild or build your credit score if you pay your bills on time and maintain a credit utilization ratio below 30%. Okay, so this is what you need to think about. And so before I close today's conversation, please check out this credit card evaluation approach. It talks to you about our method on this show when it comes to analyzing, reviewing, and categorizing credit cards. Check this out. All right, folks. Here are 10 rare but easy credit cards for bad credit. Number 1, Milestone Mastercard, 10 over 10. Number 2, the Indigo Mastercard, 9.5 over 10. Number 3, we have the Surge Mastercard, 9.5 over 10. Number 4, we have the Aspire credit card, 9 over 10. Number 5, we have the Fortiva Cashback Rewards credit card, 9 over 10. Number 6, we have the Applied Bank Unsecured Classic Visa, 8.5 over 10. Number 7, we have the Total Visa card, 8.5 over 10. Number 8, we have the Fit Mastercard, 8 over 10. Number 9, we have the First Digital Mastercard, 8 over 10. Number 10, we have the Revi card, 7.5 over 10. And in the bonus category, we have the First Phase card, 7 over 10. And then we have the First Access card, 6.5 over 10. Thank you so much for your attention, folks. I really appreciate it. I'll speak to you another time. But until then, remember, stay marvelous.